Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the rotate entities command. So rotate entities command is in the drop down of move entities and currently it is grayed out. And if you have not watched my video on move entities, you can watch that video. I will attach the link of this video of move entities in the I button of this video. So now let's move forward regarding the rotate entities. I'm going to make a line here so that the move entities is going to be get activated. Why I am saying as move entities? Because the rotate entities is in the drop down of move entities. So here is the command of rotate entities. Now what is the meaning of rotate? Rotate means to change the angle in respect to a point. Like in the graphics window, you have a line like this and I want to rotate it using the rotate command. Let me just close this. So this is rotate, like I am changing the angle of the line. Okay, so this is the operation which is done precisely by rotate command. Now just go to the rotate entities and here I'm going to activate the keep relations. Be very careful while using these commands. Always do activate the keep relations if you do not want to disturb the relations of the sketch entities in the graphics window. Now we have to click on the entities and we already aware about what this box means, as we have covered a lot of about this in the previous tutorials as well. You can consult to previous tutorials if you have not watched, as the tutorials are in depth. So I hope you will get all the minor details regarding the commands of SolidWorks regarding the sketching. Now, let's talk about this box. In this box, we have to select the entity which we need to rotate. Like here, it is highlighting, we have to select the sketch items or a notation. So I have selected this line. Next, here in the parameter, it is asking for the point, like from which point you want to change the angle. So I want to change it from here. Now it is asking for the degree, that by what degree you want to change. Now the very first question regarding the SolidWorks, like it is an interview question also, like from where does the SolidWorks measures angle? So it measures the angle from 3 o'clock, like here 3 o'clock, and it goes in the anti-clockwise direction for positive value and it goes in the clockwise direction for the negative value. Let me just highlight this. Like 3 o'clock, it is going to measure the angle from 3 o'clock, and in the anti-clockwise it is positive, in clockwise it is negative. So I want to rotate this line in the anti-clockwise direction, so I'm going to put the value in the positive. Now I'm going to put the value as 10 degree. So now you can see the line has rotated from this position to this position by what angle? By 10 degree. So whatever the angle, suppose earlier was 45, now the new angle will be 45 plus 10. So this is how the rotate works. Let me just finish this. Now just click on cancel. I'm going to delete this. Now let's check some more examples. So I'm going to have some lines here like this. Suppose I want to rotate all these lines in a one go. So just go to the rotate entities and here I'm going to select all these lines. Then the center of rotation is going to be this, and here comes the manipulator. So I can manipulate it like this. Okay, so now you can see this has been rotated by 90 degree. And one thing more, whenever you are going to select the rotation point, the manipulator is going to be get placed. That means it is going to tell you that the rotation is possible, otherwise the manipulator will not come. Okay, so this is how you can use the rotate command, and you can use this command to rotate the entities. So now let's check this on the 3-point rectangle. Now go to the rotate entities. I'm going to select this, and the center of rotation is going to be this. Now just rotate it like this. So this is how we can use the command of rotate entities. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the rotate entities. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.